I do use a hot knife. It's just so much easier. But I have used a cold knife before, and as I get more experienced with this after a couple more harvests, I will probably go ahead and use a cold knife because I know how much better it is for the honey to not heat it up at all. But for now, this sure does make quick use of things for a beginner. One little stroke upwards just to make room for the knife so we can come back and go downwards. Just like that. Sometimes with a little bit of wiggling back and forth, some actual knife action helps out.
Leah, what do you think of that?
You like that? And into the spinner. We have just enough frames that we're actually going to have to spread this out a different way. So this will hold 9, but for right now we only have 7 in here, and then we've got 6 more left, so we can keep 2 in each segment. So there you go. This goes in there. That's a safety lock, and sling that honey, honey. It's so much easier when you have the same number of frames. It doesn't rotate around as much, but it's off balance right now, so.
Now we turn the frames around and do it again.
No.
No?
No, not when it's like this. That's only when it's the big frames that are sitting sideways like this. When they're like that, it's a one-go show.
Good to know.
So, and we didn't get it all. You see, there's still a lot of honey in there. It's just that sticky. I didn't think it felt like it, but we've got 5 eager beavers here that haven't been allowed to have very much honey all winter because we didn't get much off the hive. So, you ready?
Yeah.
Now this might have a little bit of wax in it, but it ain't gonna hurt nobody. Take it.
No.
Is it good?
Oh, drip drop.
Don't waste it, Arthur.
Oh, that is good.
Now this really is bee bayou honey. But now the bees will make J&J Acres honey, okay? Is it good? Y'all glad we got bees again? There you go.